If you were a Christian and you are posting Christian contents, you were a musician, whoever you are a pastor, whatever that you are, when you are preaching or you are posting a video concerning Christianity, stop doing this when you truly want to get views. Let's look at this carefully. Looking at this, I do follow Christian stuffs a lot, so you can see almost everything here is Christian. Okay, let's look at this short video. I'm very interested in these shorts because these short videos actually makes you get more subscribers. If you have not heard about this, this is very true. Now let's look at this. When you look at this 1 2 3, this very third short, you could see that the person posted a video very nicely, but the thumbnail is not really catchy. You will not see even the person, you will not see, just you can just see a blue light, just all this, and it's not attractive. It's not even attracting me to watch, because this specific video doesn't even give me a call to action. It doesn't pull me to just click on the video, though the person wants, and amazingly the person also wants to get views from this very video, and it's not going to be happening. Though you might get views just because the people are just scrolling in the short feed, but you'll not get a lot of views and your video will not be exposed a lot of audience. Now when you compare this to this, which one will you click to watch? When you compare this to this, which one will you click to watch? When you compare this video to this video, which one will you click to watch? Now look at this video. You could see that the people are trying to talk about something. They say identical twins married other identical twins, and just in the thumbnail you could see that these two people look alike, and it's talking about the title. So when you look at this thumbnail with this title, that is this short title, it's not corresponding. Nobody will be prompted to watch this video except that the person is scrolling in the short feed, and the person by a chance watches your video, and they will not watch this video for a long time. Okay, so what you have to do when you want to get a lot of views on your YouTube shorts, take note of this. Looking at this, let me just click on this video and see. Okay, because the title of this video is the Lord will restore you with double portion. Okay, and when you look at this, the longer title you have, the more the words diminishes at the end, because YouTube will only expose few words at the beginning. Now let's click at this video. You see, this is a video which the person posts as a short, and you can see, let me just pause the sound. So looking at this video, how can you be blessed watching this video? How can you be pulled or triggered to click on this video? Because you've clicked on it and you are not seeing the person's face, you are not seeing the worshipper's face, nothing like that. So when somebody is watching this video for 2 seconds, just like the way I'm watching, okay, the person will just scroll away. I don't know if you really understand me. If you are a Christian, avoid this when you really want to get views on your YouTube shorts. So look at this. I'm playing now. Okay, you see, as powerful as this song is, the person could have snapped this very section where the singer appeared. Okay, where the singer appeared, let me just show you something. Okay, the person should have captured this very portion of the video, so that whenever somebody want to watch, the person may have been prompted and called to click on the video. At least the person is seeing somebody holding a microphone, but the person chose the person didn't choose any thumbnail, so the person automatically YouTube automatically chose the thumbnail for the video. So whenever you are posting a short and really want to get views, okay, let me just fast forward and see if I can get some catchy side and at least bring to the scene, because there is no video that is not important or is not relevant. Whenever you post a video, you definitely get views, unless you don't do it well. You see, so far so good, just 2 people have liked, and I'm very sure that maybe people that are just close to this person might just like this video because they know him or they know her or whatever. The person should have been getting more views by now. Exactly, this place should have been the cover of this video. So if you really want to get views, take note of this. Let's go back and let me show you something. Or let me just scroll to another section. I just love to watch Christian shorts so that I can really show you. You see, this is the same thing somebody is also doing. The person's face is not really showing well. There is a transition going on, and the person just added, "Thank you, Abba Father." What are you trying to tell the viewers to what information are you trying to feed the people with in order for them to click on the video? This is the mistakes Christians are doing. You can be promoting gospel music on social media, but when you don't learn this, your videos will not go viral. Now, when you look at this man of God, you see, he writes that every family needs a watcher. Now, when you look at this thumbnail, you could see that this is an action that the hand is going. You're trying to talk about somebody. It shows that he's talking about something. So you just quickly clicks to watch. You need to sell your gospel videos just like a product. Let the people know what you are talking about, and let there be a catchy thumbnail so that it can help the people click. Now let's scroll down a bit and let's look at if we can be able to see any other shorts. Okay, so let me just talk about my shorts. Unfortunately for me, I have been designing thumbnails for my shorts, and I have been designing thumbnails for my shorts, so it actually helps the people to know what exactly the videos are all about. Okay, look at the views. This is 2K, this is 1K, this is 997. Okay, because when the person reads what I'm trying to showcase on the thumbnail, the person just knows the purpose of the video and the person clicks. And moving forward, you could see I want to get the one that I did not design any title, any thumbnail. Okay, so you see this video, I didn't design any thumbnail. I actually extracted it from the long form video and I posted it. Okay, when you look at this picture, it will prompt you to question yourself, why is this person frowned? Why is this person so confused looking at me? Okay, because the person is holding his or her phone and the person want to watch, like the person want to watch something new. Okay, so let's click on this video, and automatically you have the power of so as the person clicks on the video, you could see that this is the title I give. I mentioned the powerful keyword on YouTube, Christians. So I'm talking about Christians. Okay, since my video is about Christian, I quoted the Christian keyword. I mentioned the word Christian. We are in a battle, ? Watch this. I am telling the people to watch it. And you have a power. And my thumbnail is calling the people to watch, because I have frowned a bit. I have chosen the portion where I have frowned. So looking at that very video, everybody will be prompted to watch it. I don't know if you are really understanding me. Looking at that, you see the title, how I put it. It's very powerful, very simple. And look at the thumbnail. When you look at this thumbnail in your feed, you definitely click and watch, because you really see that, oh well, what's this guy talking about? Because the title is Christians. You have to watch this. Christians, I'm calling you. And I put, when you look at the title, I put an emoji just after the Christians. I'm trying to call for attention. Okay, we are in battle. I'm trying to tell you what we are in. We are in a battleground, so watch this. Actually, when you really want to have more proof, I have another account. I created a different account. I created a different account and I started posting only shorts. That is the name, Rabbi Godson Wonder Global. I've logged into the account right now. Okay, I've logged into the account. Let's go to my short videos. I can assure you, almost all the short that I posted over there was more than it was more than 500 views. Recently, this is the video I posted and I'm getting about 1.4k views. The views are increasing. Look at that. Look at the thumbnail. You see the section I chose. The section I chose was concerning, is something that will just pull you to watch. You are just looking at a young man looking at the skies, and you just want to So let me just, okay, looking at the sky. So I actually intentionally chose that section of the video and I posted. And look at the title. I wrote, Christians are not slaves, and I added this emoji that will call the people to watch. So somebody will be thinking, why is this guy watching the sky? And the title is about Christians are not slaves. Let me watch. And I even wrote, please listen to this. I'm trying to call for action. I can assure you, I posted this video yesterday. As I posted this yesterday, that was yesterday evening. So yesterday evening I posted this video. Just within for some few minutes, I have gotten about 1.4k views. So it's all about your title and your thumbnail. And I added only hashtag shorts. That is the thumbnail that I added. So if you really want to get views as a Christian, take note of this. Now let's watch the other video. Now this video, I actually uploaded it and I placed it on private because I'm about to schedule it so that it will post. Let's look at something practical over here. I click on the three dots over here and I go to edit. Now when I look at edit, okay, when I click on edit, look at where I want you to take note of. Whenever you are posting a short, check your title and then you check your thumbnail. Check the videos that you are relating this short or that short you are posting to, and then if maybe you can add it to a playlist. When you have a playlist, that's fine. And then you choose this very section as no. When it is an AI video, please make sure you choose yes. When it's not an AI video, just choose no. And then let's go back. Then you choose whether it's for kids or not. I think for me it's not for kids, so I said no, it's not made for kids. And then the visibility is on private because I've not posted it yet. Now make sure that before you click on post, you click on this pen icon. Click on this, then it will help you select the thumbnail. Let's look at this and watch this carefully. You see, when you drag this section, you'll be able to select any thumbnail that you want to select for your video. So when I choose this part, it's not really appealing. It's not called you see, this part of the video might even call the people to watch, but I think that part will not really call the people to watch. So okay, I just want the people to look at my face and just be surprised about who, and they just have to question themselves, who is this guy, so that it will prompt them to read the title, and then after there they will watch the video. Now I promise you, when I post this video, you will see that this video will go viral. Are you getting the trick? So now, as you have selected your thumbnail, which is any of the thumbnail that you have selected, I love to choose this last section, okay, this very section. And then when you finish choosing your thumbnail, then you click on this. Okay, at least make it more poppy, like it should be more fresh, then you add your filter. I love the pop filter, so that it will be very very attractive, very okay. You could see that the color have upgraded and all that. Then you click on this symbol, okay, then you are done. You click on this very symbol at the top right corner, then you are done. Okay, so as you finish clicking on this, before you click on save or before you click on post, when you want to post it immediately, okay, so I was just showing something. Let me just discard it. And then so you could see that, see, I got this video 1.1k views, 1.2k views, 1.4k, 1k. You see all this, like the people want to be prompted. Call them to action. Let them know why they are supposed to watch your video. And make sure that you add only one hashtag, just hashtag shorts, because looking at this, it's amazing. I got 1.2k views over here. And when you look at this video, you see Christians must accept this, and I added this emoji. I love this emoji a lot because it calls the people to action. It calls the people to just click on the video because they really want to know why this guy is trying to just appear on the screen in that face of his. Okay, this is 1.1k views, and you see the title, Does God Exist? I smiled. Here is the answer. These are the titles. A title that will prompt the people to watch. Okay,
I pray you don't miss
you see, Walk in God's Plan, Rabbi Gostin Wonder. As I mentioned, Rabbi Gostin Wonder is a sign that I'm mentioning somebody that his account is trending. Okay, and amazingly, I added 3 hashtags, but even still with that, I got 1.2k. I'm getting to 1.3k. Are you getting it? So this is going to be helping you when you only understood what I'm trying to show you. If you really understand and this video was actually helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I believe that you were blessed by this video, and I will want to see you in my next video. See you all.